Hi everyone, this is Francie from BEYAQI Packaging. We are a leading manufacturer of roll-on bottles with professional experience. Our factory is located in Yuyao, Ningbo. Welcome to follow our introduction to know more about BEYAQI manufacturing and the roll-on bottles solutions. With more than 15 years of experience, we have become expert in roll-on bottle production. We use state-of-the-art production facility with cutting-edge injection molding machines, automatic production lines, and a strict quality control system. Molding opening, injection molding, custom color, printing, electroplating, and assembly. We have the expertise and resources to provide first-class manufacturing service.
Product line is a trusted supplier. We offer a wide range of roll-on bottles to cater to the packaging needs of the beauty, personal care, and fragrance industries. Our product line includes glass roll-on bottles, plastic roll-on bottles, and deodorant sticks. Each of our bottles is crafted using high-quality materials and features innovative designs that combine functionality and aesthetics. During June and July, we are offering free customization and mold service for your brand.
At BEYAQI, we prioritize providing exceptional service to our valued customers. Our professional team is ready to assist you with package solutions that meet your specific requirements. We offer comprehensive services that include design assistance, customized wood services, and package development. Our commitment to quality management ensures that every product undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to meet the highest standards.
Here are some key advantages of plastic roll-on bottles. Impact resistance. Plastic roll-on bottles are more resistant to impact and breakage compared to the glass bottles. This can greatly reduce the damage of the product in transit. Customizability. Plastic bottles can be easily customized through various processes, such as color printing, labeling, and service treatments. This enables you to create visually appealing packaging designs that attract customers' attention. Recyclable and sustainable. Many plastic roll-on bottles are recyclable, allowing for a more sustainable packaging solution. Additionally, some plastics can be made from recycled materials or have based alternatives to reducing their environmental impact.
Here are some key advantages of glass roll-on bottles. Product integrity. Glass is a non-reactive material, meaning it does not leach harmful chemicals into the product. It helps maintain the integrity and purity of the contents, making it suitable for sensitive formulations like essential oils, perfumes, and skincare products. Recyclable and environmentally friendly. Glass is a highly recyclable material, making it an eco-friendly choice for packaging. It can be recycled repeatedly without losing its quality, helping to reduce waste and conserve resources. Easy to clean and reuse. Glass bottles are easy to clean, sanitize, and reuse. They can be easily sterilized, making them suitable for products that require hygiene and repeated use.
Here are some key advantages of the deodorant stick package. Convenient application. Deodorant sticks provide a convenient and mess-free application. The solid stick format allows for direct application to the underarms without the need for additional tools or applicators. Precise control. Deodorant sticks offer precise control over the amount of product applied. Users can easily adjust the coverage according to their needs, ensuring effective odor and sweat protection. Portable and travel-friendly. Deodorant sticks are compact and travel-friendly. They are designed to be easily carried in bags, purses, or pockets, making them ideal for on-the-go use and travel.
Our corporate image is built on our extensive product line, advanced manufacturing capabilities, and customer-centric approach. We are driven by innovation, sustainability, and a relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction. When you partner with us, you can trust that you will receive high-quality roll-on bottles that meet your various packaging needs. We are committed to being your reliable and trusted supplier, delivering customized solutions and exceptional service every step of the way. In summary, at BEYAQI, we are proud of our product line, manufacturing capabilities, and a commitment to providing outstanding service. We invite you to experience the difference of working with a reputable and customer-focused roll-on bottle manufacturer. We work together to bring your packaging ideas to life and increase the impact of your brand in the market.